Let's go over the L clusters vocabulary. And this word clusters just means that there's two consonants together. For example, LM, LR, LS. So when two consonants are together in a word, we call that a cluster. So we're going to start going over these words. We'll begin on the left column. This word here is almost. Almost. Then already. Already. Also. Also. Although. Although. You notice these words, they have this all added on the beginning, right? So we have the word most and we have the word almost. So the meaning is a little different. We have the word ready and we have the word already. We have the word so, but we also have the word also. And then here is the same. We have the word though and then the word although. And so this prefix all changes the meaning of the word. Next we have build, build, child, child. So remember that's singular and the plural is children. So for one, it's child, and for plural, it's children. Difficult, difficult. Learning English is difficult. Explain, explain. The next column we have o'clock. And we say this when we're telling the time. We say it when the time is an even number. So we say 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So we pronounce it o'clock usually, not o'clock. Then we have only, only, plan, plan, play, play, please, please, problem, problem, sleep, sleep, unless, unless. And now the column on the right, able, able. All of these words and almost all of them with this L-E, and the E is silent. So able. Circle, circle. Example, example. Final, final. Little, little. Middle, middle. People, people. Terrible, terrible. Trouble, trouble. So this is great practice for words that end with the ul sound. And now for the conversation. Again, I encourage you, try to find someone who can practice this conversation with you. But if not, that's okay. You can practice it by yourself. First, I'm going to go through at a normal pace, and then I will slow down and go through it again very slowly. Notice this is a phone conversation between a boss and an employee. So the boss says, "What's the problem? It's already 11 o'clock. I can explain. I had trouble sleeping. The people next door were playing their music until the middle of the night." "Please, that's a terrible excuse. Unless you're able to get here by 12 o'clock, you'd better plan on getting a new job." Now we'll go through slowly. What's the problem? It's already 11 o'clock. I can explain. I had trouble sleeping. The people next door were playing their music until the middle of the night. Please, that's a terrible excuse. Unless you're able to get here by 12 o'clock, you'd better plan on getting a new job. And if you really want to make sure that you know these words, I will remind you to go through the steps from the instructions. It looks like this. And follow those instructions and practice with these words so that when you need them, you'll be able to use them in speaking English.